World News. August 5th, 2020. Explosion in Beirut. An explosion hit Beirut, Lebanon, on August 4th. Lebanon is a country in Western Asia. Beirut is the capital of Lebanon. The explosion hurt many people. Doctors and nurses are helping the hurt people. The explosion damaged many buildings, roads, vehicles, and more. People think a fire started the explosion, but people do not know what started the fire. First responders are looking for what started the fire.